This is Dan at DH Squared, and welcome back if you're a subscriber. And if you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Today I'm going to be unboxing and setting up Apple's AirPods Pro. So let's go ahead and see what's in this box. Okay, we got the manual, which not too worried about at this point. We have the AirPods case with the AirPods inside. Let's see what else we got in here. We got the charge cable. Charging cable has a USB-C to Lightning connector, so you're going to want to make sure you have a USB-C adapter to charge these, unless you're using a wireless charger. And we have, looks like, 2 other sizes of earbuds. Let's go ahead and get the AirPods Pro set up. Today I'm setting them up on an iPhone 11. So the first thing you need to do is open the case. When you open the case, you're going to get a message on your phone. It basically is telling you to connect. So go ahead and tap connect. It's now connecting to the AirPods. And it's just telling you a little bit about how to control your media playback. We just click the X up in the corner. And now we're set up. It basically is showing us how much battery life is left in the AirPods themselves and how much battery life is still left in the case. Okay, now I'd like to explain to you a little bit about some of the settings for the AirPods Pro and how you get to them. So tap on Settings, then tap on Bluetooth, then tap on the eye next to your AirPods Pro. And that brings you into the settings for the AirPods Pro. So what you can do is this is where you can turn noise cancellation on, turn it off, or turn on transparency mode. This is where you can determine what the buttons or the force touch buttons on each earbud do. I'm going to leave them at the default settings. Here is where you have automatic ear detection, where it'll pause the music when you take the earbud out. You can choose to turn that off if you want. This is where the microphone setting is. I'm going to leave that at the default. And one very important thing here is the ear tip fit test. Now, the purpose of this is to know if the tips that you have on are making a good seal in your ear so that you can have optimal performance of these earbuds. So tap on the ear tip fit test and then click continue. Then click the play button. Once the fit test is complete, you should see whether or not you have a good seal. And with the default tips that I was using, I had a good seal. Now, if you weren't getting a good seal, excuse me, it would let you know, and then it would explain to you whether or not you need a larger or smaller tip. So go ahead and hit done. And that's pretty much it for all the standard settings in the AirPods Pro. There is one other setting that I want to show you, and that is going down to accessibility. Or was that? Accessibility. Then scroll down to AirPods. And this is where you can change your press speed. So when you want to press 2 or 3 times to do different feature functions of the AirPods, you can choose if you want default click speed, slow or slower. And then the one that I really found useful was the press and hold duration one. When I go to press and hold to turn on and off transparency mode or noise canceling mode, I don't want to hold it for a long time. I'd like to hold it for a shorter period of time. So I selected shorter there. And that's pretty much the settings and some of the basic configuration of the AirPods. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please click like below, and please also subscribe to my channel. It is your support that keeps me going on doing this, so I really enjoy you watching.